Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for personal and professional growth: how to win friends and influence people. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to enhance your connections, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1: Genuine interest in others. One of the foundations of building meaningful connections is showing genuine interest in others, such as engaging in conversations, active listening, and the power of connecting through shared interests. Step 2: Positive body language and smile. Nonverbal communication plays a huge role in how we connect with others. Positive body language, such as making eye contact, smiling, and expressing warmth in social interactions. Step 3: Effective communication. Being an effective communicator is key to influencing and connecting with others. Step 4: Recognition and appreciation. Recognizing and appreciating others for their contributions fosters positive relationships. Step 5: Empathy and understanding. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Showing empathy and understanding strengthening connections with people and builds good relationship. Step 6: Building trust through honesty. Honesty is the foundation of trust. Honest conversations, transparency, and being trustworthy contributes to building lasting relationships. Step 7: Encouraging others. Encouraging others to share their thoughts and experiences creates an open and supportive environment. Step 8: Resolving conflicts with diplomacy. In any relationship, conflicts may arise. Resolving conflicts diplomatically, focusing on understanding, compromise, and finding common ground can go a long way in building good relationship. Building meaningful connections is an ongoing process, and these principles can make a significant impact on your personal and professional life. If you found these tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.